What a drop here on PLTR stock, Palantir Technologies Inc. If this is your first time coming across the channel, welcome. To all subscribers, welcome back. So here we are with PLTR breaking through the support from yesterday at the open. Outflows were dominating here in the second half. You could see that there on our inflow versus outflow, 128,000 of outflows. And if we go to the 5-minute, we could see it here as well, how outflows are dominating since yesterday. Slightly above that level at 225,000. Now we came down to some key levels of support, and it's trying to hold up here at that historic level where we bounced from $84, $85 all the way up towards 97, and now we're back down here, and that's a level of inflows of 873,000. But we do not want to ignore the dominance of outflows up here near $96 recently, just a few days back, at 1.04 million. Now, we have to see how we retest back towards this resistance here that has formed, because these inflows are crucial. Now, let's zoom back in, and this is where 42 Vision gives us that edge, right? We can clearly see supports and resistance levels on these charts, and you can also see here a full transition on 42 Vision from the rip area to the dip areas. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 Vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips. And we also use our bull and bear indicators, where the strength and weakness lies, with our 42 Vision indicators and our inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are at PLTR stock, Palantir Technologies Inc., fighting here to hold a support, and it wasn't the only stock falling downwards. The SPY did as well. Clear rejection of that resistance, and a bear indicator was sent out directly to our Discord by our SPY bot here at 9:55 a.m. and it has not been canceled. It's been dominating over the chart here so far for most of the day, and it came all the way down to that inflow level that is trying to fight here in the live action as support. And put options went up from way up here at 564 down towards 558, 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and gain that edge within these charts and learn charts along the way with a clear vision of supports and resistance and confirmation of trends with our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow, and join the members using it to be equipped and gain that edge and use these resources in the live volatility, check out the link down below in the description and once again in the top pinned comment. So here we are with PLTR going ahead and fighting in the live action to find support down here near $84. It's trying to push back up away from that inflow level there and back up towards 85. The first resistance I'll be watching here today going into the close is going to be 86 to 87. It was fighting to hold it and it broke through it. If that can get broken through and used as support then to push up again, then comes $90, guys. The $90 area is going to be crucial. That was the inflows yesterday, and if that can hold, then we can reassess and start talking about towards 92 and higher resistance levels in these charts. To the downside, the first support I'll be watching is $83. And then below that, when you zoom out and look at this from the 15-minute, we could go ahead and see that there is no historical level. But when we pull up the 30-minute, it should show us here some lower levels. And you can see it here. $83 is crucial. And then below that comes all the way down towards 82 and then the $80 area. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, and these inflow versus outflows, I'm going to watch them as we're trying to hold up here above 84, 83. and we need to see if we can get back up towards 87 in that tight range, in that consolidation here so far in these charts. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and learn charts along the way, whether you're a learning investor, beginning investor, or experienced investor, and have that edge within the volatility and see trends clearly and where the strength and weakness lies in the charts, check out the link down below in the description. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us and join the members using it. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.